It's a mystery only a great detective like Sherlock Holmes could solve. How did this delicious burger from the famous In-N-Out burger chain end up on a street in New York City? In-N-Out burgers are found only on the West Coast. They are wildly popular. Here's actress Jennifer Garner enjoying one with the Food Network's Barefoot Contessa, and actress Brie Larson raved about it.
My favorite moment was after I went back to my table after winning a Golden Globe. Katy Perry had a round of In-N-Out burgers for everybody.
But this photo shows a perfectly wrapped double-double discovered in the wee hours of the morning 3,000 miles away in Queens, New York. Lincoln Boehm and his wife Dara Katz stumbled upon the find and posted it on social media.
It just didn't make sense. And the reason it didn't make sense is because the burger just looked so perfect.
Well, the mystery has now been cleared up. A 16-year-old teenager named Helen Vivas reached out to the couple with this message. "Hi, this is actually my burger. You may not believe me."
And then when I started asking her follow-up questions, all the answers kind of fell in line with the timeline that I'd mapped out.
As proof, she actually sent this receipt showing she purchased the burgers the night before in San Diego before flying home to New York. She even included JetBlue flight information to confirm the timeline. Helen says she loves In-N-Out burgers. Before boarding the flight back home, she bought 4 of them so she could enjoy them back in the Big Apple where they're not available. She ordered them without sauce so they wouldn't get soggy on the long trip.
When I boarded on the plane, I just sat on my seat, kept the burgers in the bag on my lap the entire flight.
When she landed at JFK Airport, she rushed to catch a bus, and that's when one of the burgers fell out of the bag.
As I got onto the bus, I felt the bag become a lot lighter, and the In-N-Out burger was just missing.
I genuinely never thought we were going to get an answer to this thing. I thought it was going to be like just one of those mysteries that I take with me to the grave.